This is Mr. Carlston. This is week 1, lecture 1 for DSPS DSS 285 Banking for Apartment Living. Okay, and this is just a brief lecture on how the semester will work for spring 2020. First of all, things are going to be a little different. We're not meeting at the Wilshire campus until further notice. Instead, we're using Canvas. Canvas is a program that we use through My Gateway, so you need to know your banner ID or student ID and have a password. Now, because we're going through a unique situation with our education, this is going to be a different format for a lot of you. Some of you may like it, and I'll be honest, some of you may not. So either way, we will work something out so you can regularly communicate with me and you can be confident, right? So what is different? This is the opening page of the Canvas website for budgeting for apartment living. So like I said, we are not meeting at the Anaheim, Wilshire, or Cypress College campuses until further notice. DSPS or DSS 285 Banking for Apartment Living is not meeting in room 110 or computer lab. This means that when you log onto Canvas, make sure you see what is due. In another lecture, we will go over what to look for on Canvas, but for now, make sure you can access Canvas to view the materials for the class. Like I said, this right here is the first page of Canvas for your class. Okay. This also means that you are more responsible than ever to make sure you learn and do the assignments for class. Just like you make sure you are on time for class at Wilshire, you must make sure you do your work and submit it through Canvas. This class is a little different because you might have to go to an apartment complex and see what you like and do not like. All right. So what is different again? Assignments and homework will be due by the week. Unless I tell you otherwise, all the assignments are due by the beginning of the following week. Again, for example, in the first week, one of your assignments is to introduce yourself by clicking on the Discussions tab and the red circle. This is the Discussions tab on Canvas. It's in a red circle. You will not see that, but I'm just showing you where it is. Then reading on posting on the discussion, who is in this class with Steve the cat. Okay. Again, this assignment and a few other things are not due till the end of the week. We will go over the assignments in the next video when we look at the Canvas website for the class. Right? So what does this mean? Because you're responsible for your schooling, there are 3 things you must be aware of. 1, you must take the time to read and understand the homework and assignments. This means you must dedicate time and effort into watching the short lectures. They will not be more than 10-15 minutes long. Okay? Once you understand the homework and assignments, you must also allow time for you to do it. All right? So allowing 5 minutes before the due date is not enough time for you to do a good job and submit your assignments. Do it like the day or more before. All right? Number 3. How I keep track of your attendance in the class is by you submitting your homework to me. For example, I know that you watched this lecture because at the end you will leave your name, and even if you watched the lecture and did not leave your name, it tells me you did not do your homework. So again, by watching this lecture, you still have to submit your name so I know that you listened and attended. So following directions is very, very important. If you do not follow directions, you may not get credit for the work you do. All right. I apologize for the grammar mistakes on that. All right. So what has not changed? You can still easily talk and communicate with me. In fact, there are different ways we can communicate. One is Zoom, which is like FaceTime through the computer. This can be accessed through Canvas. Another is email. My email is kyago@noce.edu. You can leave messages, pictures, or anything else. Only you and I will see the messages. So whatever you tell me will not be shared with the rest of the class. Okay. Another way you can contact me is through phone. The general number is 714-462-9572, extension 85126. Or you can reach me directly at 657-334-6528. Write these numbers down and put them in your phone so you do not forget. Another way you can reach me is Canvas. Canvas has so many ways you can talk to me and other classmates. It's like Facebook. You can leave messages and comments anytime someone makes a comment or suggestion. All right, so what has not changed again? You still must participate in class. This is how I will check attendance for the class. All the assignments, homework, and quizzes require you to either respond and submit something to me. Your participation is how I know you are attending class. So if you do not do the homework and do not submit it, then I know you are not attending in the class. Just like being in class, we must also be respectful and treat each other with kindness. We have opportunities to comment on what other people have written. This is not a time to criticize or be sarcastic. This is just being mean. Besides, an employer does not want to see an employee being mean to others. All right. So, review. Different and not different about the semester. Different. We do not meet at the Wilshire campus, room 110, or a computer lab. You must check Canvas assignments, homework, and lectures. These are due on a weekly basis. Now more than ever are you responsible for your learning, but I will be here to help you. Okay, what is different also is that you have to take the time to 1. Look at the lectures, 2. To do the homework, and 3. Submit your work. All right. What is not different is that there are now 4 ways you can contact me. Though things are different, I'm here to help you. If you feel stressed, contact me. 1 is Zoom, 1 is Canvas, 1 is calling me, and the other is emailing me. Your participation is how attendance will be taken. If you do not submit your work, then you were absent. Because we can email and leave comments, we're always respectful and treat each other with kindness. So this is the most important information you will need for this semester. 1 is you have my contact information. Again, here is my email address, kyago@noce.edu. General office number 714-462-9572, extension 85126. Direct office number 657-334-6528. Use this information. If you have any questions, don't feel confident, don't know what to do, just call me and contact me. All right? You guys have a good one.